guys, welcome to my channel Life at Germany. In this video, we are going to see 5 tips for Indians who is moving to Germany.
Learn basic German. Join in German Facebook groups. Check your travel baggages. Prepare with euro currency notes and coins. Learn cooking.
One by one. Learn basic German. Why we need to learn German? When you entered into Germany, even if you want to buy milk or salt, if you go to supermarket, you can find all the items which is written only in German.
You can see here all the products written only in German.
If you want to travel from one place to another place, and if you have to take a train, then even in train or in any railway station, you can see the board which is written only in German.
You can see the display written in German.
So if you learned at least basic German before arriving Germany, then it will be very helpful. Second, join in Facebook group for Indians in Germany. When you want to search for a apartment or if you need some help, there are a lot of Facebook group which is created specifically for Indians who is living in Germany. So if you already joined in the group and if you need some help like how to prepare for the visa or how to find an apartment, whatever help it is, then you can you can request from the group and you will get help from other Indians who are living in Germany via this Facebook group. Third, check your travel baggage. Why it is important? Before you come to Germany, while you are packing all your luggages, check with the air travel company how much check-in baggages are loaded, how much hand-in baggages are loaded. Depends on that. Start packing your luggage. In Germany, for Indians, it will be difficult to find mixer grinders, pressure cooker, electric cooker. So it is better if you pack all these items when you are coming to Germany so that you will not find any difficulty after reaching Germany.
Pack all these important items in your luggage.
Fourth, apply for Forex card. Why it is very important to have a Forex card? If you have Forex card and when you are at airport, if you want to get a coffee, then you might need a euro once you reached German airport. And also when you to switch your baggages, you need to get a trolley. So in Germany, when you want to use the trolley, then you have to insert 1 euro coin to make use of the trolley. After reaching the airport, to get into your hotel or your apartment, then you have to take a taxi. Even for the taxi driver, you need to pay euro or in cents. you can make use of your forex card for all these purposes. Then fifth, learn cooking, because once you reach to Germany, it's not that easy for an Indian to adapt with the German food. So if you know cooking, then it will be really helpful for you to cook by yourself and enjoy your days at Germany. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you. Bye.
Please like, share and subscribe. To get latest notification, click bell icon.